how to unlock Snapchat account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you unlock your Snapchat account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open any browser on your system. So I'm opening Google browser. And now after you open the browser, in the search field you will have to type for Snapchat support. So simply type that and head over to search. Alright, so after that you will be able to see the official website of Snapchat support. So simply tap on that. Alright, so now from here you will have to scroll down and go with the options like I can't access my account. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from here you can choose my account is compromised. And now from here you will have to tap on this link contact support here. So simply tap on that. Okay, so from here you will have to choose the options I can't access my account. So from here again you will have to go the options like I think my account was compromised. And now from here you will have to scroll down and go the options like click here to contact our support team. So simply tap on that. Okay, so from the submit or request section you'll have to scroll down and fill up the form for the contact support team. So you can give your username, email address and the phone number which is linked with that Snapchat account. And on this section you'll have to briefly explain your problem that you are suffering your Snapchat account. And after you're done from here you'll have to tap on this submit button just at the bottom. So simply after you made a request to the Snapchat support team, they will contact you truly in few couple of hours. So that's all, this is the process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.